Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to do receiving and putaway. In this video, we're going to show examples of how to create an inbound RN. The first thing you do is go to Inbound and Receipt. Click on Add Receipt. I'm going to choose the customer title, carrier, and reference. It's going to be either container or trailer. You can also input ETA if you want. Receipt time, shipping method, and goods type. Once you're done, just click the Add Item line. I'm going to do 500 for this inbound. Once you're done, just click on Save. There are two ways that you can create a Rails task. One is to manually create from the RN. The second way is to use window check-in. Once the container checks in, the system will automatically create a task for that window check-in. In this video, I'm going to show the manual way. So select the user. Once you create a browse task, the user will receive a task on their app. Click on that task and receive the task. There is one new task for RN59. Start receiving and offload. There are 4 different types of offload. Just do forklift, trailer, and the size of the trailer. Select the ship method. Take a photo of the container or the trailer. Once you're done, just click on Close Step. The second step is to build a pallet. Input a staging location and then add the product. As you can see right here, there's a T-high tab and the quantity per pallet. The T-high tab will automatically build the pallet based on your T-high. For this particular product, it is set up as 100 cases per pallet. Just click the Add Product. Each pallet will be 100 cases. The RN is 500, so you can bring 5 pallets. Submit. If you click on the reveal, you can see the RN has an expected quantity of 500. On the right-hand side, you can see the build quantity is also 500 on the Product Summary tab. You can see the quantity for each LP is a pallet. Once done, just click Close Receipt. And the system will automatically close the tasks. Once you're done, the system will generate a new putaway task. Task 153 is for RN59. You can start the putaway process. Input the RN number. It shows all the pallets from this RN. You can scan the location that you want to put away. You can put away a single pallet, or you can put away all the pallets at the same time. Submit. If you look at the Review tab, it shows you the location from staging 01 to location 01. 009 with all the pallet information. When you're done, click on Close tab, and the system is going to close the task. If you go to the inventory and look up this item, it will show you all the items for the RM, which is processed, RN 59. There are 5 pallets, each of them with 100 cases. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.